Welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today we are going to be making some awesome hummus. This is a great recipe for you to go and use some of those dried chickpeas that you have in your pantry, or you can use the canned chickpeas that you may have. Either way, this hummus is going to be awesome. Now I have a bunch of dried chickpeas in my pantry, so that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to let these soak in cold water for 24 hours, and after that period of time, this is what they should look like. Nice, golden, plump. Next, all we have to do is just put these chickpeas into a pot, add about 2 teaspoons of baking soda, cover them with water, bring them up to a boil, and just let it go for about 20-30 minutes till they're nice and tender. Now you will see some foam and scum surface to the top. Just gotta take a spoon and just skim it. And I like to stir the chickpeas a little once in a while just to help remove the skins. Now when they're done, drain them and put them in cold water, and all you have to do is just run them through your fingers to loosen up all this skin. And by removing the outer skins, it's going to result in a smoother and creamier hummus. Now as you can see, after that cold water bath and removing as much of the skins as possible, we have some nice and tender chickpeas ready for the food processor. And now since I only have about a cup of chickpeas for this hummus, I'm going to use my small food processor. Now, if you're making more, you're probably going to be using a larger and more powerful food processor or blender. That's going to create an even smoother hummus. Now here, I like to grate the garlic, added some cumin, some lemon juice, some tahini, and also what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of sesame oil to this, just to beef up that sesame flavor. I'm slowly drizzling in some olive oil just to incorporate it into the chickpeas and to loosen it up a little bit. You will have to stop your food processor and scrape down the sides. And continue to add a little bit more olive oil. Here, I think I added about 2 tablespoons total right now. And to thin it out, I'm going to add some water. What water is going to do is it's going to loosen up the hummus and make it a lot lighter and fluffier. Now, all you have to do is just let this go for as long as you want until you get your desired consistency. Hummus is delicious, and it's so fun and easy to make that, you know, once you learn this recipe, you'll never go and buy it from the grocery store ever again. And make this your own. If you want more garlic, add more garlic. If you want more lemon, add more lemon. Here, I think it's perfect for me, nice and balanced, and all you have to do now is just plate it. And all you gotta do is just put as much as you want into a bowl and use the back of your spoon to go around and make a nice well, because that is where you're gonna put all your olive oil and your spices and your garnishes on there to make a very sexy looking hummus presentation. Now a good tip is to wet the back of the spoon. That way it will slide through the hummus a lot smoother and easier. And I'm just dressing this with some extra virgin olive oil, some smoked paprika, and some chopped Italian parsley for some vibrant green. Guys, we just made some incredible hummus. Tell me that's not sexy and you wouldn't want to dig into this thing. Let's go to the table. Look at how beautiful this hummus is. Nice and fluffy, creamy and smooth, beautiful golden olive oil in there. You got your paprika, your parsley. I'm serving it with homemade pita, tomatoes, onions, pickles. I have a link to the pita recipe down below. Look at this beautiful hummus with this awesome homemade pita that we got. Incredible. This is super sexy, guys. I could eat this every single day. You gotta love the fact that you made this at home, so you know everything that goes into your body. Super healthy, super delicious. Guys, if you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Be safe out there, and as always, peace.